gonna do it anymore.
You know, you didn't really know about what they did.
Come on.
Go.
You know, every intimate detail of who they were, if you sleep something like their wives, their sons and daughters, who really cares? You know, what they had to say was, you could see through the book. And if you look at it the right set of eyes, you know, you can see into them, you can see what you know a lot about them. But and for what?
I wish they put better songs.
Bad reasons to court celebrity.
Forgot the power take off those types.
So the people can go sell commercials and things in magazines. And I
You
just
guys just like sign out behind me. Yeah, how much points did I get? I think I got 1,000. Yeah. No, 10,000.
To portraits that meets the eye, Tim Marlowe talks to 12 leading artists in a fascinating new series starting tomorrow at 7, Art of the Portrait. And just before that, you can catch up with the first...
Dude. Alright, let's do it again. Let's do it again, man. Dude, what a whining baby, dude. Anyway, you can win the next one, man. We'll slow down and we'll drive at your speed, man. It's all good.